frogs croak a song. In your world you belong. Up the hill to the old oak tree, whisper, wincing just for thee. Acorns tumble, leaves swirl round. In your burrow peace is found. Twinkle, twinkle, hop along, little rabbit, brave and strong. Stars above will light your way. Dream all night and greet the day. When the sun peeks over hills so high, you wink goodbye to the midnight sky. Burrow buddies wake with a yawn, another adventure from dusk till dawn. In the garden veggies grow so tall, carrots crisp, the best of all. You munch and crunch with glee, sharing bites with bee and flea. Through the tunnel twist and turn, lessons learned as bridges burn. No fox can catch your speedy feet, you're quick as lightning, oh so neat. Under rainbows after showers sweet, you dance on petals light and fleet. Colors blend in your fuzzy coat, a painter's brush on a magic note. As the night returns with velvet hush, you curl up tight in your leafy bush. Stars twinkle back, a gentle call. Rest now, dear one, you've had it all. So twinkle on, our rabbit, so